Yo, what's up guys, today I'm going to do a quick and easy tutorial for you guys to show you how to use GanttPro. So first off guys, we have to sign up for free. So generally we can sign up with our email or just with Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn or Facebook. But for me it will be easier to log in with Google. So if you log in with Google, you just have to choose your account. Like, this is the account I want. I just click on it, and after that click on continue, and just wait for a bit to load up. So right now it should be loading. Yes, it is. Just wait for a bit and let it load. Right now this is loading our account. So as you see guys, it have loading up, and now we can see that this asks us for our first name and last name. Okay, that's it. And let's say that our business name is GanttTech. After that we'll create an account. Let's say that our team size is plus 201 and plus the GanttPro is for work, and it is our not first time, but let's say that we have limited experience with Gantt charts. What features are we interested in? Let's say that we are interested in time tracking. Guys, it would really depend on you. Okay, so what is our first project name? We can also import previous files if you want to, but I'll just type that our first project will be Aspirator. So the tasks are installation. The first one, our second task is turning it on, and our third task is enjoying. Now, right now we can continue. We're almost done. We also can add our friends to the group, but I don't really have any friends right now, so I won't. So while this is preparing, let's see that this is a really cool basic main menu. It is really it's really pretty for a Gantt chart. Now guys, we can see that we can sort it for just wait a second guys. We can see. Okay, that isn't the thing I wanted. Can we actually just refresh the page? I'm sorry for the disturbance guys, it's just happened. I didn't really mean to do it. So just wait for a second. I meant that the whole site is really pretty, and it looks really like pro IT. I think that it is really good that it's this well organized and really put into one. Guys, you can see our charts, our task name, the task name, summary task, this is the subtask, the installation, the turning it on and enjoying it. We can also set who is it assigned to. We can check the status. We can also add other things like end dates, creation date, creator, duration, estimation, time lock, and other things. We can see for how much time has it been done, how much time is it doing it, and how much time will it be done in. So it really isn't that hard guys. We can also see my tasks, so this is where all your things get stored up and projects. We can also see the time log. You can see the reports, the workload, the communication here, the communication hub. We can also customize our account, guys. Here is it, guys. We can set the first name, the last name. We can customize it. We can customize the email, the passwords, the workspace settings. And guys, let me just show you the pricing. So there are 4 plans right now available. There's a basic, a pro, business, and enterprise. So the basic one is the most cheap one, but it also gives the least amount of perks. So you can also plus buying these things, you can also set how much people are going to use this, like 50. If it's for 50 users, you can see that it is for $7.99, but for now 1 person it's $9.99. For pro is $15.99, and for business is $24.99 per month. The enterprise version, you have to talk to the sales department and talk to them for the money, but it really shouldn't be that hard. Guys, I will remind you that the more expensive it is, the more perks it has. You can also pay monthly or annually, but if you pay annually, you will get $20% discount. And yeah, guys, I think that was it for GanttPro. I wish you guys a great day. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.